Welcome here. This video will be pretty short. I just want to say how I protect my trades from how I secure profits on my trades and protect your profit, and also how you can play out market more efficiently. Okay, so I want to show you because as we know, I teach you this is especially about Fibonacci and golden zone. So we can see we have significant low here high, so we will pull Fibonacci over here. Let's delete this one. We can see we approach golden zone perfectly and we are getting a bounce. Okay, we are getting a bounce. So this is, by the way, the best reaction you want to see for your trades. You don't want to spend a lot of time there. The less time you spend at your support where you plan to go to trade, the better. Okay, it's showing the power of the move. Okay, and there is a lot of demand there. This picture, which I posted quite recently, is so important. You know, it's telling you everything. That's how you want to trade your Fibonacci, for example. You want to approach the zone, immediately go up or down. The best reaction is just wick into the level, closing outside of the level and going away. This is pretty strong as well, so you can get few candles there, and then you go. And this is big reaction when you spend a lot of time there. So time is everything in trading, and you can see the golden zone is doing that pretty often. You just approach it and immediately go up. Okay, so I enter here. Just want to show you more effective trading. I enter here. I place my stop loss as by textbook, as I teach you. I place stop loss over here between 0.86 and 1. Okay, and now I will be watching what is gonna happen. Okay, so first, what I need to do before I know what my market want to do, I'm seeing we are under VWAP, so I will be thinking to take maybe profit around VWAP or seller's Fibonacci. So we will prepare seller Fibonacci. This is the major high, this is the major low. I will extend it. Okay, so I can really see what's gonna happen. Let's measure the move also, because during trading I'm measuring the moves. It's important because I'm really happy to take profit after if I'm going against the trend. Okay, if I'm going against the trend, like I will be like here it's a local downtrend on 1 minute, I'm happy with 0.5% first take profit or 1% take profit. That's I'm really happy about it. And if I'm going with the trend, you can have bigger targets, like 1% at least. 2% is amazing, and anything above, it's just bonus. So let's measure the move. Right now the Bitcoin's volatility is like from good zones it's giving like at least 0.5% on 1% bounce. Okay, so my entry is here. We can see on VWAP the first target was hit because you are under VWAP, so you can take profit on VWAP, or you can wait for seller's Fibonacci over here, 0.382, which is giving you almost 0.80%, which is pretty amazing profit. Okay, so I personally took profit over here at this zone for 35% to cover my stop loss. And as we approach this area and we went far away from my entry, my stop loss was removed from here and my stop loss was moved over here because my entry is becoming safer. Okay, so you doesn't have to be trading like by textbook. Okay, move your stop loss when you are going away from your position. Stop loss is here, and now I wait for final target, which is in my case golden zone, because we don't see any reaction at 0.5, no reaction. And now golden zone is giving us clue this move might be ending, because you are seeing two wicks into it and weakness. Okay, the secondary high is lower and the red candle is starting. So for me, I closed position fully here and I switched to short, because you know, this is just good opportunity. Also the Bitcoin market, when he is in the range, okay, we have also the range template over here. It is showing you we are in the range, okay, because the deviations are really small and you are looking for longs below or above the range. And you know, so if you are in the range, like we were also yesterday, it was like a lot of down moves, but also then we made the range, and we are still in this range anyway. If you are in the range, you will be looking to take profit fast. If you're not trading, you know, there is no reason to hold position, because sooner or later, you see, if I don't take profit over here, the market will take away all of my profit sooner or later if you are ranging, you know. So play the range until the range breaks. It's just simple rule. So from this position you can measure over here. So we can measure now. The move was 1.3%, very good for scalp, very good. And also right now I would move my stop loss. If there will be no resistance over here, like it would be far away above or something like no resistance over here, and we continue up, I would of course move my stop loss to entry. So at this point I cannot lose the trade, okay? And also if you are playing continuation, so you don't have much resistance and you continue up, you take I usually leaving after 2 take profits, I have left 30% or 20% of my position. That's what I always do. So if you have stop loss over here, you cannot lose the trade anymore and you are just relaxed, okay? Why I do that? Because sometimes those last 20 or 30% make me the most money, because the Bitcoin can do what Bitcoin do, breakout. But right now when we are in the range, it's less probable. So always, again, context is your friend and probabilities as well. But if a breakout would happen, you see something like this, I'm still in 20%, 30%, and I gave, like for example, if you break those fips, it would be my signal to add to position if I see stability from here, okay, from this market structure resistance now support. I would be looking to add to position over here. My average entry, I would add maybe 20%, okay, it would be here, then the market would push me. I would also take stop loss with me. Why not? Why leaving stop loss here? No worries, you know, I just want winning trade, I don't want loser. And if you break this high, okay, and you don't do swing failure pattern, so for example you retested and you continue up, you will be adding over here as well. You see stability. So I will again add to my position maybe another 20%. My average entry is gonna be here, then my stop loss is moving with it. That's how you ride the market, because when you have really good trend, you can ride the market with your initial position over here. That's why I really hate close full profit sometimes, okay? But you have to have evidence to do it. Like right now there was no evidence we are doing it, because we just stopped at the golden zone. So it meant for me the range will continue as it continued past 36 hours, okay? So in this case my long was closed fully and I entered new short over here. Okay, so new short entered here. Stop loss, always first stop loss is always like we know. And now let's see if we hit my target. Okay, so let's go. Short was here. By the way, this was my 2 trades today, nothing else yet. And from this point you are getting down and you are getting to VWAP, which is gonna be of course your first take profit. Okay, and also we can delete those fips as they were played out, and you need to do more aggressive Fibonacci so you can monitor your take profit as well, because I think the VWAP was aligning with other fip. Yeah, so 0.5 fib was there with VWAP and the reaction was there. You can see again clean reaction, just wicking into support. So you are taking profit in this area. So that was my first take profit, this time 40%. So I'm keeping 60% of position. And as you are returning to this point, you have two options. You can even add to your position right now. Also, as we approach VWAP, I'm lowering my stop loss from this because this is very wide stop loss. Okay, you want to improve your win ratio. This is 0.56. So right now, I took profit at VWAP and my ratio is 1:1 to my stop loss. Right now, I will lower stop loss and quite significantly. Look here, just here. I lowered it here because I know the swing failure pattern can happen and I want to stay in the market. So just here, okay? Right now I cannot lose this trade, not possible, because I earned my 40% and this stop is very tight right now. Look here, 0.20%. And also I know if we like lose this golden zone, then we continue up, okay? So, and we played out this trade. Stop loss over here, and last option you have if you want to be like really profit pro. Again, pull fips. You are stopping at golden zone. This is very aggressive one, but it's okay. You can add to your position if you want the more exposure, because you have good entry. You entered exactly here, or even here, yeah, as you see the red candle. So I have 60% position, and I'm adding 20% to position when we come here. So my average entry is going lower, probably somewhere around here. This is my entry right now. I'm still pretty safe from the market, protected by 0.86 a bit, yeah. And I'm keeping my stop loss over there still because it's again pretty tight, and there is no, how much is the stop loss? 0.3%, very small stop loss, nothing there. So I'm here at 80%, and as we approach VWAP again, we are seeing a bounce and support again. So I will take again 30% of my profit. Okay, I will take it. I'm leaving 50% position over here, and right now, as we are making lower high, I will lower stop loss to my entry. Again, to protect profits and to make sure this trade is not gonna be loser for me if anything happen. Always protect your profits and capital as soon as you can. Stop loss over here at entry, and now I'm chilling. Nothing bad can happen to me. Loss is not possible. Where I will take major profit, I will tell you. Just want to see the fips. Now it's up to you, because I already closed position fully in golden zone. It was more than enough for me. I also wanted to record with peace of mind without any position, because I'm recording a lot of videos today, so it was closed here. But as I have 50% open, I would close just 20% here. So I have 30% left in case we just continue down, okay? Because market structure right now is telling you the trend is changing on 1 minute. So you want to be ready if something, market change structure, okay? You can see here lower lows, lower highs. Now we are going a bit sideways. So you are keeping 30% from here. Stop loss is at your entry. You have nothing to worry about, no lose, And when market like really falls down, you will be booking very nice profits. So that's how I do it. I didn't want to mention it in the first course video, because this is like more, you need to babysit positions more. But right now you can see how I am able to manage positions and avoid big losses, because market from good supports and resistance usually give you a chance to earn for your stop loss 90% of time, 80% of time in my case. Because I focus on entering on really good spots. I don't want to enter here in chop, not here. I want to enter top of the range, okay? For example, low of the range. Yeah, so this is how it is. And also, this is, I'm telling just Fibonacci, but of course you had, for example, swing failure pattern here. So you just combine all your scalping skills together. Yeah, you took those liquidity here and continued down. So it was giving you more confidence for short from golden zone. Okay, so it's not just that Fibonacci, not just Fibonacci. And the range continues. But also do not forget zoom out. Do not forget zoom out, and it's important because right now You can see it's uptrend, even like local downtrend 1 minute, but 3 minute and up, it's like very shy uptrend. You just have to take profit anyway fast from shorts, okay? You have channel over here. You are making lower, higher lows, 1, 2, 3. This one is not resolved. We will see. Yeah, so you can even see even on like channel was giving you very nice trades. So that's how I play it, and also just want to show you. Okay, this is nice. Yeah, so be more advanced. You know, you need to add to your positions when it's suitable. I'm adding to position always when I'm in really good starter position. Okay, so for example, if I bought this low, I can adding to pullbacks from here because my average entry will be lower still, not from here, and then I can enjoy the big ride. And you have the reason here, for example, why I keep 30% of position always open all the time. Like this long we took in a group, it was a very nice swing failure pattern, and we had some supports here. But also, you know, this is pretty amazing bounce of 3.14%. Amazing bounce. You see almost no weakness here, so you just wait for a VWAP to take profit. Then you go sideways. You have chance from Fibonacci to add to your position. Okay. You can see exactly the open delete. It's old one. I think it was previous day the open. So the open was holding, 0.5 was holding, so you can really add to your position at this place. It's beautifully holding. And now you have the context, you are holding market structures. This was, you see, market was curving down, heavy resistance, a lot of shorts here. This is your market structure support now. Okay, because you are above it. This is already, I just in a few seconds I found 3 confluence zones, so you will be adding here to your position if you are long here from swing failure patterns on support heavily. Like you can add 30%. You have left maybe 40%, I will be adding 30%. Your average entry here, and you can make tight stop loss. This is what is amazing, you know. And also, so your 40% here, added 30%. Your average will be somewhere here. We can check how it looks if we like continue down from Fibs. This is fine. You're even on the golden zone, so you are pretty safe in entry, and you can play stop loss here. Keep it tight. As you are breaking this area with huge volume, you see the volume is rising, very nice. There is no swing failure pattern, you just continue grinding up. The last thing I do, I will be adding one more time to position when you see the clean break and no swing failure pattern over here. You can add to a position maybe another 20%. This area is broken, so maybe average entry is right now here. This one is delete. And you will move stop loss to same place because you are just far away from the market. There is no need to have a wider stop loss, no need for at all. You will be, you want to be invalidated when the market structure change, and if you fall to this place, it will change. Also, you will be booking profit at strong resistance, which is in this case weekly, or you have the high volume node over here. So this area was take profit area. You can see then with reaction down. Okay, so no greediness. As a scalper, there is no greediness. You just must take profit because market is very violent and volatile. So from this entry, just do move up was 4%, more than 4%. It's just amazing. That's how I trade it, and I will try to record you live videos exactly with this method. Okay, I do like adding and moving stop loss to very safe places, so I will not get wrecked on trades. Okay, so that's it from me. I wish you really good trades and see you in the group. Bye bye.